Hello, leaders. This is Asif Bashir. I am the gold executive of Six Sigma Trade. And Six Sigma Trade is basically an outstanding opportunity. And this is a brand new company from New Zealand, Wellington City. The head office is in New Zealand. This company started only 5 months ago. And I am going to present a very quick presentation in front of all of you. And this company is basically an artificial intelligence company, which is which is turned into network marketing company. And the beauty of this company is that they are the creator of the robots, and they are using their own robot for trading. The robot name it IFA. IFA stands for Artificial Intelligence Forex Assistant, and IFA is the best super robot
Mm.
available in the market right now, which can make huge profits for the company, and company is distributing all those profit with all the networkers and the members of the company according to their package size. This is the summary of the company. Welcome to Six Sigma presentation. And this is the location, the headquarter of the company in Wellington, New Zealand. The address is level 16, Dimension Data House, 157, Lambton Quay, Wellington 6011, New Zealand. And the website of the company is www.sixsigmatrade.com. And now let's meet the Chief Executive Officer, the CEO of Six Sigma Trade, Miss Sura Bayanka. She is an Italian lady, and she is the expert of artificial intelligence since 2009. She has served in so many companies, so many big artificial intelligence organizations on a very key positions. And Six Sigma is the brainchild of Miss Sura Bayanka, which is a tech-savvy goddess with a passion of trading and cryptocurrency. And she is the one who decided to put this robot IFA into network marketing. She is a very visionary lady. And when we joined the company, first we met her and we talked to her. We done our due diligence, and then when we inspired by her, then we joined the company and we started work. So right now, the work of the company, the team of the company is more than 32 countries. So Six Sigma is spreading like fire, and I will suggest you to book your position as soon as possible. And this is a message from the CEO, Ms. Sura Bianca. You can read it later on, and you can know that how concerned she is about her networkers and the members. And the plus points, the assets of the company is that this company is not charging any activation fee or no nasty surprises. And this is the only ROI based company in the world with nine ways of income. And this is the first ever escrow service in the history of network marketing. The escrow service is to protect all the members and the distributors of the company. Okay, company is giving you security. Everyone company is giving everyone's a security between all the networkers. So this is some plus points. And then we are having some outstanding products. Number one is the crypto trading. Number two is the forex trading. These are the two major product, and company is doing both of these trading through their AI, artificial intelligence trading robot, which is IFA. Okay, as I told you, the IFA is making profit, and company is distributing those profit in between all of us. Okay, according to our package sizes. What is crypto trading and what is forex trading? They are very detailed subjects. So I will suggest you, if you don't know about this subject, so you should ask your presenter or your sponsor who bring you here. He will tell you each and everything. This is the two world's biggest industries. And then now let's meet the IFA, the hero of the company, the trading master. And this is the back tested robot. And this robot is using the world's best strategies of trading, like scalping, micro trading, and position trading. And the robots are better trader than humans. So here are some slides which can showing us that why robots are better traders than humans. Okay, and these are some characteristics of IFA. That why IFA is better from all other robots. Okay, so these are some very important slides. And then now I am going for the a very important slide of the company, which is the Six Sigma packages. And what are those Six Sigma packages? How we can join and how much we have to pay, how much we will earn. This is all here. So this company, when you join the company, you will receive a referral link from your upline. You will click on that link, you will fill up the form, and your account will be registered. You can sign in with your login name and password, and then you have to buy a package. There will be some option in front of you, and you have to buy a package. Our company is currently offering 7 packages. Actually, company was having 8 packages before, but company is right now offering 7 packages. Only 2 days ago, company was having 8 packages, but now company is having only 7 packages. This first package is the basic package, which is $99, and we will call it the $100 package. And the builder package is $300. A super package is $500. Executive is 1,000. Executive plus is 4,000. Master is 10,000, and elite package is $20,000. So ambassador package is no more with us. So inshallah, when I will receive the new updated slide, so I will be sharing that slide. So there will be no ambassador package. So we are having the 7 packages in front of us, and every package is having different business point, different network limit, and different daily capping. Okay, so the business point is what? Business point is the parameter to calculate your commissions and your rewards. Okay, and every package is having different business point. But the network limit is very important because this is your maximum income potential from a package. Okay, so that is your income limit. So how much you can withdraw, how much you can total earn from a package. So if your package is $100, then basic package, then you can earn 3x. 3x means 3 times. Okay, builder package is also 3x means 3 times. Super is 3x. Also, executive is 3.5x, executive plus is 3.5x, master is 4x, and elite is 4.5x. Okay, so what is the meaning of x? X means 3 times. So if it means that if your package is super package, which is the $500 package, and your network limit is 3x, so it means that you can earn $1,500, which is 3x of $500. You can earn that $1,500, and when you will receive all the $1,500, then your account will be expire. This will be expire means only that your account will be still there, but it will be deactivated. It will be not removed. All your team, all your points will be there. Okay, your rank will be there. But when you will put $500 again, means out of 1,500, you can take home the $1,000, and $500 you have to put again. Then your package will be activated again, and you can start earning your network commissions and your rewards, your points, everything again. So this is how this network limit works. For the basic, builder, and super package, this is 3x, executive plus is 3.5x, master is 4x, elite is 4.5x. Okay, and these are the packages. And then we are having the 9 amazing ways of income. What are those 9 ways of income? Number one is the ROI income. Number two is the direct commission, binary commission, royalty commission, immediate share bonus, hall of fame share bonus, presenter bonus, escrow income, and ranks and rewards. So this is the Six Sigma trade 9 ways of income. First one is the ROI. What is the ROI? ROI is the return on investment, and this is the passive income. You don't need to do any work for that. If you buy any package in the company, this ROI will be start dropping to you automatically. Automatically. Okay, you don't need to do any working for that. So this is very, very important. ROI income, guys. And ROI is different for every package. It's totally different for every package. If your package is small, then your ROI percentage is small. If your package is big, your ROI percentage is big.
And
Basic
video
package is getting
meeting.
2.5% per week, and builder package is getting 3% per week. Super package is getting 3.25% per week. Executive and executive plus is getting 3.5% per week. Master package is getting 4% per week, and elite package is getting 4.5% per week. So from 2.5 to 4.5 is your weekly percentage from Six Sigma trade, and you will be receiving this weekly percentage for 52 weeks. Okay, and the first 14 days are your incubation time, so you will start receiving this ROI from the 15th day of your package. Okay, so this is the beauty of the business, that you can earn maximum 4.5%. 4.5 multiplied by 52, it will become a very, very good amount for you. like 4.5 multiply by 52, so this will be 234%. So almost 2.5 times of your investment you can earn within 1 year of time, okay, without doing any network marketing. So this is very, very powerful, and you will be receiving this commission of Monday to Friday, 5 days a week. And then we are having the direct commission. Direct commission is very, very simple. Whenever someone directly join the company with your referral link because of your invitation, then you will receive a direct commission from him. So direct commission is the 10% of the amount and 50% of the business point. So there are two ways to calculate. So we will calculate it through amount. So this is 10% of the amount. Okay, so someone, your first person, he join you with $300 package, so you will be receiving $30 as your direct commission. And on the right side, there is someone who join you with $500 package, so you will be receiving $50 as your direct commission. And you can have uh, uh, more than two people, even 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, whatever you want, you can enroll, you can register. Okay, and from everyone you will be getting 10% of the amount. Okay, and this is the instant commission. And then we are having the binary commission. What is the binary? Binary commission is very, very important and very, very famous commission. This is the fastest income of network marketing. And in this commission, you can see there is a position on top which is called U. So just consider yourself there, and then you can see there are two sides. One is left, one is right. And on the left side, you can see there are three people, and on the right side, there is three people. So always you have two sides. You cannot open a third side. There is only two sides, left and right. And from this left and right, you can see that one side will be having more business and the other side will be having less business. So the side which is with the more business, it is called the power leg. Okay, and the side which is having the less business, that is called the pay leg. Okay, so right now we are having 360 point in right side and 180 point in left side. So right side is the power leg because this is having more points, and the left side is pay leg because this is having only 180 points, the less points. So you will be getting paid from the pay leg, okay, from the points of pay leg. So right now we are having 180 points. So we will be receiving a percentage of 180 points as as our binary commission. So what will be the percentage? This percentage actually depends on our package. If our package is big, then we are getting a big percentage. If our package is small, then we are getting this small percentage. So the basic package is getting 40% of 180, which will be $72 for you. Builder, Super, Executive, and Executive Plus is getting 50% of 180, which is the $90 for you. Master package is getting 55%, which is the $99 for you. Elite package is getting 60%, which is the $108 for you. Okay, so you can earn $72 or you can also earn $108. It depends on you that how much you want to earn, because it depends on your package. The points are still same. From 180 you are getting 72, and from the same 180 you can earn 108. And then we are having the royalty commission. Royalty commission is a very, very important commission. This is the outstanding commission, and this is the reason for me to join this company, because this commission is not a one-time commission. This is a 52 times commission. This is coming from the ROI of your team. Okay, this is the only company which is paying a percentage to you from your team's ROI. So uh, let's suppose company is paying you 5% from your level one. Okay, so what is the level one? Level one is always the our direct downlines. So if you are having a direct downline who joined the company with a $20,000 package, okay, and that $20,000 package is earning that $20,000 package is earning how much? It is earning 4.5% of 4.5. Okay, okay, $20,000 multiplied by 4.5%, and that will be $900. That will be $900 for 1 week. Okay, if someone join you with $20,000, so he will be receiving 4.5% per week, which is the $900 for him. Okay, and you will be receiving 5% of $900, which is $45 for you. Okay, every week you will be receiving $45 from him. So he will be receiving $900 for 52 weeks. So you will also be receiving $45 for 52 weeks. So if you calculate your total commission from this one guy only, so that will be more than $2,340. Okay, as your royalty commission from a single person. Okay, from a single person you are earning about $2,400. Okay, and just imagine that if you are having 10, 20, 50, or 100 people on your level one, so how much will be your royalty income from your level one? Because you are getting 5% on level one, but from level 2 companies also paying 2% from level 2, and from level 3 companies paying 1%, and from level 4 to level 10 companies paying 0.5% each level. So this is the beauty of Six Sigma trade, and that you are getting a very big percentage from all your team. And this company has shared infographic with us, a projection with us a few days ago, that if our package is $500 and we are having 5 direct downlines, and everyone in our team is copying us, so from royalty commission in 1 year only, you can earn more than $51 million. Yes, this is not a joke. You can earn, because this is the calculation. And if you only touch the 50% of that target, you will be still earning $26 million from royalty commission. And if you are only touching 10%, you are still earning, guys, more than $500,000. Okay. And if you only touch the 1% of that, you are still earning more than $50,000 plus, $51,000 plus. So this is the royalty commission, guys, royalty commission. So this is the beauty of the business. And this is called the royalty commission. And immediate share bonus is there. And this immediate share bonus is coming from the pay lag, the royalty coming from the pay lag of the binary. Okay, the weaker leg of the binary. So whenever you are having 10,000 new business point in your pay leg, you will receive a new myriad share. So if you have 10,000 more point, you will receive one more myriad share. For every 10,000 new point, you will be receiving a new share. So company is paying 1% from their global profit into the shares, and they distribute that amount into the all available shares in the market, and every share will have a value. Like for the month of June, if company share has a value of $200 and you are holding 10 shares, so you will be receiving $2,000 as your myriad share bonus. So this is the monthly income. This is an outstanding innovative commission. And then we are having the Hall of Fame share bonus. Hall of Fame share bonus is coming from the last 4 ranks of the company. The rank number 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you are part of any rank of this, then company will be putting 1% of their global profit into Hall of Fame. And that 1% amount will be equally divided into 4 clubs, 25, 25, 25, 25% each. And then that 25% amount will be equally divided into the club members. So it depends that you are sitting on which club. If your club is having more members, then you will be having a smaller share. And if your club is having very few members, then you will be having a bigger share. So try to be on a big club, on a top club. So this is Hall of Fame, and this is a monthly commission. This is an outstanding commission. Six Sigma is having daily commissions, weekly commissions, and monthly commissions also. And then companies having presenter bonus that is specially designed for the networkers, sorry, for the trainers and the presenters of the company. And if someone join uh, after your presentation, he is inspired by you and he joined the company, so you will be receiving 10% of his business point, and that point you can use anywhere you want. Okay, that is your points. So this is the presenter bonus. So all the presenters will be getting 10% of the point from their listeners. Okay, but it depends that if they put your username into the presenters field when they are filling up the sign up form. And then company is offering us escrow income, which is the very innovative, and this is only introduced by Six Sigma Trade. And this is basically to secure all the members and the networkers of the company. And escrow income is an amazing service provided by Six Sigma Trade. Escrow service is basically a security, a third-party guarantor service. Okay, this is between the networkers. Company will be playing a part of third-party guarantor, and if a networker is offering a promotion to their teams, company will become the guarantor, and company will be giving the reward amount to team because company have already deducted the reward amount from the promoter's account. So this is a very beautiful system, and company is not charging any single penny for that. So this is how you can make escrow income, escrow promotion. And then we are having the Six Sigma e-wallet, and that e-wallet is a super e-wallet. All your incomes, direct, binary, media share, royalty commission, Hall of Fame, ROI, your transfer, your rewards, everything is coming there. So you can withdraw any amount from this wallet anytime, 24 by 7. 24 by 7 means there is no allocated weekdays or there is no allocated week hours. You can withdraw any amount anytime. Okay, and you can also transfer the fund to other Six Sigma wallet family. And charges are 5% to 1%, maximum 5%, minimum 1%. And the withdrawal charges, as I told you, that if this is more than $10,000, then you will be having only 1% charges.
Yeah.
And the minimum withdrawal amount is $50. Okay, minimum withdrawal is $50, but there is no maximum withdrawal. You can even withdraw $100,000 in one single shot if you are having that amount in your account. Okay, so there is no maximum withdrawal limit. This is the transparency of the company. Payment methods are the most reliable and the decentralized payment method available in the market right now, which is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Stellar Coin, Litecoin, and Sigma Wallet. And then the ranks and the rewards of the company. So whenever you will have 2000 point in your pay leg, in the weaker side of your binary means pay leg, so you will become the bronze executive of the company. And when you are having 5000 business point in your pay leg, so you will become the silver executive of the company. And when you are having 10,000 point in your pay leg, you will become the gold executive of the company.
Thank you, sir.
And company will be giving you $1,000 for a Apple MacBook Air laptop. And once you are having 50,000 point in your pay leg, you will become the platinum executive of the company, and company will be giving you $3,000 for a foreign trip for two people. And whenever you are having 200,000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the palladium executive, and company will be giving you $10,000 for a Chevrolet Trax. Once you are having 800,000 point in your pay leg, you will become the rhodium executive, and company will be giving you $30,000 for a Nissan X-Trail SV. And once you are having 2 million points in your pay leg, you will become the plutonium executive, and company will be giving you $70,000 for a Toyota Land Cruiser GXR. And whenever you are having 4 million point in your pay leg plus 4 direct platinum executive, you will become the finite executive of the company, and company will be giving you $300,000 for a sports car like Porsche 911 GT3. And whenever you are having 10 million points in your pay leg plus 4 direct rhodium executive, you will become the tritium executive, the dream rank of the company, and company will be giving you $1 million for a penthouse anywhere in the world. And this is the best time, guys, to join this company because this company is actually five month old, but here in Asia and Africa, this company is only 2.5 month old, and this is introduced by the grand upline, Mr. Ali Saeed. So he introduced this company only 2.5 months ago. So this is the best time, best time to join this company right now. Okay, and people are coming and booking their positions, and the system is spreading like fire. I will suggest you to be part of this business and just contact the person who invite you in this presentation right now and ask him for his referral link and just register your account with his referral link and buy a package. And then this is Six Sigma lifestyle. Okay, there are some leaders from Russia. Then there was a pre-launch event of company, and after the pre-launch, there was COVID-19, the lockdown. So company had already cancelled their three big events. But after the lockdown, there is a chain of events in Thailand, Dubai, and in Russia. So inshallah, we'll be there, and maybe in your country there can be a big event, and the CEO of the company will be coming there because she have promised with some African leaders already and also some Indian leaders. Okay, and thank you for being the part of this presentation. And now you can ask any question if you are having. We'll be here to answer all your question, guys. Thank you. Thank you.